In this video, how to use the Spotlight visual effect in Camtasia. The Spotlight visual effect in Camtasia is a great way to focus the viewer's attention on a specific area of your video by dimming the surroundings and highlighting the area you choose. The Spotlight can be added from the Visual Effects tab. You can adjust the position and size of the spotlight by dragging the points on the screen. Change the color, opacity, brightness, and focus in the Properties panel. Animate the spotlight. You can use keyframe animation to make the spotlight move or change shape. The second way, we can use Spotlight in annotations. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.